Be able to hear me, but since I teased you with the heated pool, I thought I might show you. There's some people enjoying it. Nothing fancy, it's just that it is heated. So they have something to accommodate during the winter as well. A little sand play area I hadn't noticed before. We'll check that out. Children's playground, área de juegos infantiles. Basically just a little sandbox with a swing, but still an area for the little kids to get some energy out and have a good time. And now we will head up that direction towards the other pools where I just came from. This is the Perla building. And we'll go to the pool.